Hello guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel BSc Honors Agricultural Classes. Today I am here with the topic Architecture of Chromosome and their types. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about chromosomes, their parts and their special types. There are some special types of chromosome as you all know. Myself Dayanidhi, I am student of BSc Honors Agriculture, CGC Technical Campus, Jhanjheri, Mohali. My email address is dayanidhidahiya2@gmail.com. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about what is chromosome, what are different parts of chromosome. Now, what is chromosome? Chromosome होता क्या है? Chromosome is organized structure of DNA. क्रोमोसोम जो है हमारा ऑर्गेनाइज स्ट्रक्चर है डीएनए एंड प्रोटीन का. DNA is bound with the help of some proteins called histone proteins which serve as packaging material for DNA and controls its functions. Here are some interesting facts about chromosomes. Chromosome may be linear or circular with nucleotides ranging from 10,000 to 1 million. Typically linear in eukaryotic cells and circular in prokaryotes. A chromosome may be as long as 8.5 centimeters. Now, here is the structure of typical chromosome. A typical chromosome have a primary constriction which divides its whole body into two parts called arms of the chromosome. Here may also be present one secondary constriction called NOR, nuclear organizer. Now, what is centromere? Centromere is the primary constriction point which divides chromosome into two sections called arms. Centromere की जो पोजीशन होती है वही एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक शेप प्रोवाइड करती है एक क्रोमोसोम को. Now, short arm of the chromosome is labeled as P while long is labeled as Q. Now, what is telomere? Telomere is a region of repetitive nucleotide sequence which is present at end of chromosome. ये end of chromosome पर ही क्यों present होता है? It is due to protect DNA or chromosome from deterioration. Now, what is satellite? Satellite is secondary constriction which does not undergo transcription. Now, have a look at various types of chromosomes. Chromosomes may be divided into various categories either on the basis of type of organism or on the basis of position of location of centromere. Now, what is viral chromosome? Viral chromosome is chromosome present in the virus. It may be occur singly. It may contain DNA or RNA but never both. In most plant and some animal viruses, RNA containing chromosome is single stranded. जो RNA virus होता है वो single stranded पाया जाता है. Now, what are prokaryotic chromosomes? Prokaryotic chromosomes consist of single giant circular chromosome. एक ही बहुत बड़ा circular DNA बन जाता है, chromosome बन जाता है. Consist of single circular double stranded DNA molecule. नॉर्मली डबल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में पाया जाता है. नाउ व्हाट इज यूकैरियोटिक क्रोमोसोम? यूकैरियोटिक क्रोमोसोम जो होता है वो यूजुअली डिफर करता है फ्रॉम प्रोकैरियोटिक क्रोमोसोम इन मॉर्फोलॉजी और केमिकल कंपोजिशन. यूकैरियोट्स के अंदर जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं तो वो बहुत सारी स्मॉल यूनिट्स में डिवाइड हो जाते हैं कॉल्ड एज chromosomes. Now, what are types of chromosomes on the basis of location of centromere? On the basis of location of centromere, chromosomes are of four types: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and telocentric. Now, what is metacentric? In case of metacentric chromosome, centromere is present at the mid. In the case of metacentric chromosome, arms of chromosomes are of equal size and the shape of chromosome is V-shaped. V-shape का जो chromosome होता है वो पाया जाता है in metacentric. Submetacentric chromosome, सेंट्रोमेयर इज स्लाइटली अवे फ्रॉम मिडल ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम. जो हमारे क्रोमोसोम का मिडल पोजीशन है उससे स्लाइटली अवे होता है एंड द शेप ऑफ क्रोमोसोम फाउंड इज जे शेप्ड. जे शेप का क्रोमोसोम पाया जाता है इन सब मेटासेंट्रिक केस. नाउ व्हाट इज एक्रोसेंट्रिक? In case of acrocentric, centromere is close to its end, forming one extremely short and one very long arm. एक आर्म बहुत छोटी हो जाती है एंड एक काफ़ी बड़ी होती है. Now, shape of chromosome in acrocentric case is also rod shaped. वो rod shape का होता है. What is telocentric? In the case of telocentric chromosome, centromere is present at the extreme terminal position. एक्सट्रीम टर्मिनल पोजिशन पे जब सेंट्रोमेयर पहुंच जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड टीलोसेंट्रिक कंडीशन. नाउ शेप ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इन टीलोसेंट्रिक केस इज ऑल्सो रोड शेप्ड. नाउ व्हाट आर इंटरफेज क्रोमेटिन? इंटरफेज के टाइम पे दो टाइप के क्रोमेटिन फाउंड होते हैं, डेंस रीजन एंड लेस डेंस रीजन. डेंस रीजन क्रोमेटिन इज कॉल्ड हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन एंड लेस डेंस रीजन क्रोमेटिन is called euchromatin. Heterochromatin consists of mostly inactive DNA while euchromatin consists of active DNA. Now, what is chemical structure of DNA? Chemically, eukaryotic chromosome consists of DNA, RNA, histone and non-histone proteins and also contains certain metallic ions. Histone protein controls functions of chromosomal DNA. Chromosomal DNA के functions को control करता है and non-histone proteins also help. Now, what are special types of chromosomes? There are three types of special chromosomes. These are polytene chromosome, Lambrecht chromosome and B chromosome. These chromosomes normally do not found in all organisms. These are found in some special organisms. Now, first of all, what is polytene chromosome? Polytene chromosome is found in the case of salivary gland of Drosophila. वो first discover किया गया था salivary gland of Drosophila से. It may be 100 to 200 times large in size than small chromosome. It contains mRNA chromosomal puffs. Now, what is Lambrecht chromosome? Lambrecht chromosome के अंदर क्या होता है, जो मेन एक्सिस होती है उसके ऊपर क्रोमोनोमल फाइबर्स से लेटरल लूप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म हो जाता है. दीज लूप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स आर ऑफ mRNA विच कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एट द टाइम ऑफ मैच्योर एग फॉर्मेशन. जब एग मैच्योर हो जाता है उस टाइम पे वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर जाता है. नाउ व्हाट इज बी क्रोमोसोम? बी क्रोमोसोम पाया जाता है मेज के केस में, सम स्मॉल इंसेक्ट्स एंड मैमल्स के केस में. बी क्रोमोसोम इज समवट स्मॉलर देन ऑटोसोम्स. ऑटोसोम्स से कुछ छोटा होता है एंड प्रीडोमिनेंटली हेट्रोक्रोमेटिन and predominantly euchromatin. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Give useful comments and also write the topic on which you want my next videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.